This morning I want to show you how quick it is to set up a family dinner using the Hot Logic family size portable oven and a few ingredients. Our dinner is going to be winner Hot Logic ham dinner. Okay, I'm going to use some potatoes O'Brien. These are frozen potatoes already chopped up with onions and peppers. I'm going to use a bag of classic mixed vegetables, could be any brand. I have a can of sliced pineapple rings. This is a 20-ounce can in light syrup. There's also a handful of dried cherries. This is a ham slice from Weis. It's already smoked and fully cooked with the bone in. And this is about 2.5 pounds. So this is a nice sized piece that you can cut up and share with several people. For this meal I'm going to use the Hot Logic family size. This holds up to a 9 by 13 pan. It has a heating element inside, and that heating element is what's going to cook our meal at a low temperature throughout the day. Oftentimes you see me use the Hot Logic Mini, but you can see because of the size of the ham steak, that's really pushing it this time. This is a 6-cup container, which you could do the same meal but a smaller portion. If you wanted to, you could use the Mini. For this one I'm going to use a 9 by 13 Pyrex dish. You can use a cake pan or whatever container you have that fits into the vessel. I'm going to start by using the potatoes O'Brien. Now this is a 28-ounce bag. And I'm going to start by spreading this across the bottom of the pan. Next I'm going to take the classic mixed vegetables. If you'd rather just have peas or lima beans, whatever you like the best, use that in your recipe. This is a 14-ounce bag, frozen. I like to have everything done in one container when I come home from work, so that's why I'm mixing these together. And we'll just spread that out a little bit. Now the potatoes aren't going to get crispy like they would if you cook them in a frying pan, but they're going to be a nice wholesome dinner here underneath the ham steak. Alright, we're going to cut the ham steak open and lay it right on top. Putting the ham on top because it is already cooked. It's bone-in ham. It's beautiful meat. Press that down. Make a little room. As the vegetables cook, they'll sink down a little bit too. Alright, I'm going to add a little pepper to the ham steak and the surrounding vegetables, and this will cook throughout the dish as it starts to bubble during the day. I don't add any salt to the ham steak because, as you know, there's plenty of salt in that. Alright, now I'm going to open the pineapple. I'm going to place rings all over the top of the ham steak to add nice sweet flavor. I'd like to use plenty of rings because this will give every person some nice pineapple when we cut the ham steak. Push them down against the meat. Alright, beautiful. Then I'm going to take the cherries, and these are from the bulk section of a grocery store. You can buy craisins or cranberries that are dried, whatever you'd like to. If you prefer cranberries, we're just gonna, but this adds a little tanginess and the sweetness and the savory, and I like to mix them all together into one meal. So I'm going to take the pineapple juice and pour it over top. Alright, winner winner, Hot Logic ham dinner. Let's cover that with a piece of foil. If you have a dish that has a lid on it, feel free to use that. And we're going to enclose it in the Hot Logic family size portable oven. And this is going to cook similar to a crock pot on low temperature throughout the day. Now, I'm going to pull out the cord, which has a storage space, plug it in, and I'll be back when I get home from work to show you the results. Okay, home for dinner. Let's see what it looks like. Smells good. Alright, we'll lift off the foil. Oh, look at that nice dinner. What? Alright, let's take it out and cut a nice piece of ham. Alright, I'm going to cut a piece of the ham right around the pineapple here so we can serve it with the pineapple. There's some nice juicy ham. And then we have the potatoes and the vegetables to serve with it. There's some nice ham gravy in the bottom made from the juices and the spices. So there's a quick way to make your dinner. You saw it only took me about 5 minutes in the morning before work. And then you can share this with your family, a nice ham and vegetables and potatoes. Hope you like this recipe for your Hot Logic. Thanks for watching.